Men over the age of 50 often struggle with reduced sensitivity, diminished firmness, and slower recovery. Most believe this is inevitable aging or assume medication is the only solution. The truth is that consistent tissue care with specific natural oils improves skin resilience, enhances circulation, and preserves sensitivity, making intimate health sustainable long-term. Subscribe to Man Health 360 to receive evidence-based methods that protect male health. Comment your experiences to build shared knowledge. After the age of 50, many men begin to notice that their firmness does not last as long, sensitivity is weaker, and recovery after intimacy becomes slower than it once was. These changes are not isolated events but the result of predictable biological shifts that include reduced natural oil production in the skin, decreased collagen that makes tissue less elastic, and vascular changes that restrict healthy blood flow. Relying on synthetic lubricants or ignoring the problem often accelerates tissue damage and further reduces sensitivity. The credible and safer solution is the consistent use of natural oils, which support skin integrity, nourish nerve endings, and improve circulation. These oils provide both immediate lubrication and long-term tissue health, making them an essential approach for men who wish to maintain function and comfort well into later years. Many men believe that weaker sensitivity, fading firmness, and slower recovery are only the result of aging, but this is not fully accurate. The decline is not caused by age alone, but also by the way the tissue has been treated for decades. Repeated activity without proper lubrication creates micro tears and irritation that do not fully heal, and over time this cumulative damage reduces nerve function and weakens tissue resilience. Each unprotected session compounds the problem, gradually eroding sensitivity and vascular response. Poor lubrication also accelerates dryness, inflammation, and skin thinning, which amplifies the effects of natural biological decline. By addressing lubrication and tissue care directly with natural oils, men can prevent further damage and in many cases restore sensitivity and function that were thought to be lost permanently. Sebaceous gland activity in men decreases with age. One study indicates that sebum secretion is highest in young adults and then declines steadily over adult life. Collagen production falls significantly as men age. Research shows that in skin fibroblasts from individuals aged 80 and above, type I procollagen production is about 56 ng or mol compared to approximately 82 ng or mol in young adults aged 18-29. Skin collagen density declines by about 1% per year in adult life. The density of collagen bundles in both papillary and reticular dermis shrinks with increasing age. Fatty acid composition of sebum changes with age. Ratios of certain wax esters fall after the 20s. The ratio of straight-chain C16:1 fatty acids decreases until the 50s. Oils such as grapeseed oil contain proanthocyanidins, powerful antioxidants, which support blood vessel health and reduce oxidative stress. Antioxidants protect endothelial function and reduce damage in small vessels. Vitamin E in oils helps skin barrier repair and protects lipids in cell membranes from oxidative damage. Some natural oils include B-complex vitamins and omega fatty acids that support nerve health and reduce inflammation, which aids sensitivity. Coconut oil contains medium-chain triglycerides that penetrate the skin and support circulation in local blood vessels. It also delivers lauric acid, which has antimicrobial properties that reduce irritation and infection risk, and vitamin E, which protects lipids in the cell membranes and helps maintain elasticity of the tissue. Regular use strengthens skin structure and preserves sensitivity. Sweet almond oil is rich in vitamin E, riboflavin, and niacin, nutrients that support nerve function and repair damaged nerve endings. Its omega-3 fatty acids reduce chronic inflammation at a cellular level, allowing better blood flow and improved nerve conduction. The consistency is lighter than coconut oil, which makes it well suited for men dealing with reduced sensation. Grapeseed oil provides proanthocyanidins, strong antioxidants that directly strengthen blood vessel walls and improve endothelial function. This means blood vessels dilate more effectively, supporting firmer and longer-lasting erections. It also contains linoleic acid and vitamin E, both of which repair the skin barrier and prevent water loss, keeping the tissue resilient and less prone to irritation. Jojoba oil is a wax ester that closely mimics human sebum. Because the skin recognizes it, jojoba oil is absorbed easily and balances oil production. It contains vitamin E and B complex, vitamins that protect nerve health, and trace minerals such as zinc and copper that aid tissue repair. This makes it one of the most stable and safest oils for long-term use, with minimal risk of irritation. Argan oil is high in vitamin E and squalene, which restore skin elasticity and moisture retention, supporting tissue resilience in aging men. It also contains ferulic acid, an antioxidant shown to improve blood vessel function. This combination reduces inflammation, supports circulation, and slows age-related tissue thinning. Though more expensive, argan oil delivers comprehensive care for both vascular and nerve health. Together, these oils address the three main issues men face after 50: reduce elasticity from collagen loss, weaker circulation from vascular changes, and diminished sensitivity from cumulative nerve damage. Their vitamins, fatty acids, and antioxidants support repair, protect tissue, and maintain long-term function. Choose one oil for your main concern. Warm half a teaspoon in your palms and apply to the shaft and glans 10 minutes before activity. Reapply lightly every 20 to 30 minutes if needed. Always patch test on the inner arm for 24 hours before first use. Avoid almond oil if you have nut allergies. Oils break down latex, so use polyurethane or polysoprene condoms if protection is needed. Wash before and after use, and store oils in a cool, dark place. Discard if the oil smells rancid or changes in color or texture. Use half a teaspoon of oil, warmed in your palms, and massage gently into the shaft and glans about 10–15 minutes before activity to allow absorption. For longer sessions, reapply a light layer every 20–30 minutes for consistent protection. Always patch test on the inner arm for 24 hours first. Avoid almond oil if you have nut allergies. Oils are not compatible with latex condoms. Only use polyurethane or polysoprene if protection is required. After use, wash thoroughly with mild soap and water, and keep oils in a dark glass bottle, cool, dry place. Discard if smell, color, or texture changes. If you found this information valuable, make sure to subscribe so you never miss future updates. Leave a comment below with your questions or experiences. We want to hear your voice. And if you know someone who could benefit, share this video to spread the knowledge. In the next sessions, we will explore powerful strategies to support natural testosterone levels and reveal non-pharmaceutical methods to sustain performance and vitality well into later years. Stay connected because the journey to long-term strength and health is just beginning.